your WZDX Pinpoint Weather with Chief Meteorologist Jordan Dressman.
Well, Tropical Storm Cristobal made landfall along the Louisiana Gulf Coast just over 24 hours ago, and since then, it has done a really good job at moving north. At this point, it's north of Louisiana. Actually, it's getting north of Arkansas at this point. When tropical storms make landfall, they weaken, and that's exactly what Cristobal has done. First into a tropical depression, and at this point, it's probably no more than just an area of low pressure, bringing a lot of very heavy rain to northern Arkansas and then up into Missouri, different portions of Kentucky and Tennessee. Across Mississippi and Alabama, we're dealing with the outer bands of whatever's left of Cristobal at this point. Those outer bands are still bringing ample cloud cover, and then obviously we're still talking about some shower and thunderstorm activity. Shower and thunderstorm activity that we've seen across North Alabama, southern Middle Tennessee through a good majority of the afternoon. It hasn't been too terribly widespread, but some of it has actually packed a punch. We did actually get the one tornado warning for Coleman and Morgan counties. Now we're just left with some very scattered, you could almost call it widely isolated shower activity across northern Madison County, across different portions of northeast Alabama, Jackson and DeKalb County, maybe down into Marshall, Morgan, and portions of Coleman County, and maybe even up into southern Middle Tennessee. And this is going to be our presiding theme through the rest of the evening. Nothing is going to be widespread, but some scattered showers certainly cannot be ruled out through the overnight or even during the morning commute. Futurecast trying to bring some showers to Jackson, DeKalb, and Marshall counties, northeast Alabama, and then up into southern Middle Tennessee. Through Tuesday afternoon, I'm pretty confident that we're actually going to get to enjoy a little bit of sunshine, but that doesn't mean we're going to be dry. Futurecast is once again picking up on this chance of some scattered showers. We do begin to dry out through Tuesday evening and into the overnight, but then the clouds build back in, as well as the opportunity for rain. That comes ahead of our cold front. Our cold front moves through Wednesday afternoon, and that is going to bring a very different air mass to the Tennessee Valley. I wanted to share today's weather photo with you because I just absolutely loved it. Tammy and Grant sent me this. She says, Maddie absolutely loves watching the sunset in Grant, and it was a fantastic sunset. She texted us this photo. You can text us your weather photos as well. The number's right there on your screen, 256-382-2692. Send your weather photos. You might just find it right here on WZDX News. I've got a low of 74 through the overnight. Showers are certainly possible. We'll hold on to the shower chances through Tuesday afternoon. I've got a high of 85 degrees. Watch this very humid air mass that hangs out with us through Tuesday afternoon into the evening. Here comes the cold front by Wednesday afternoon. Now we're talking about a much drier air mass on the back side of that cold front. Why? Because an area of high pressure moves in, and it looks like it's going to stick with us through the next couple of days. That is going to do some great things. It's going to send our dew points dropping into the comfortable category by the time we get to Thursday. We're talking about dew points that are going to be less than 60 degrees. Have a good look at the next 7 days. It is a beautiful 7-day forecast. Plenty of sunshine through Thursday, Friday, and the weekend. Temperatures hanging out in the low and mid 80s. Let's look at your forecast.